Oh, we definitely love some brownies in our house, and they're that classic, decadent, chocolatey treat, but they've gotta be perfect, like these.
These rich, fudgy brownies double down on the chocolate flavor with both cocoa powder and semi-sweet chips. We start by whipping the eggs until they're light and frothy to add a little air and lift to the batter. If we use baking soda or baking powder as the leavener, we'd get cake-like brownies, but we want them fudgy, and the well-beaten eggs do the trick. Then add in granulated and light brown sugar. This combo keeps the brownies more moist than using white sugar alone. Once the color of the mixture lightens a bit, add in the vanilla. With the hand mixer on a low speed, gradually add the melted butter until it's fully incorporated. Then add the gluten-free flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Mixing it together and making sure to break up the lumps in the cocoa powder if you have any. I happen to have a lot. Finally, add in the semi-sweet chocolate chips, stirring them in by hand. Line a square baking pan with parchment paper and coat it with cooking spray so you can get the brownies out all in one piece. Now pour in that beautiful silky batter and pop it in the oven. A lower bake temp for a longer period of time allows them to cook through in the middle without overcooking the bottom or the edges. Once they've cooled a bit after baking, run a knife around the edges and use the parchment to lift them from the pan. Cut to whatever size you'd like. I say bigger is better. And look at that deliciousness!
Now this is a brownie that's not gonna let you down. It is rich and fudgy, extra chocolate chips inside that are all melty and gooey, and then it's got that crispy, cringly topping, just like it should. Perfect, absolutely perfect brownie.
You can find the recipe for perfect brownies at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.